Hello, this is Mr. Tyler with Glenwood High School. Hopefully you've got to your Canvas. This is Excel Chapter 3. I'm going to be doing Project 3 tutorial, so you click on that. One of the very first things you're going to have to do is you're going to have to make a copy of it. So you go to File, go to Make Copy, and then put your initials here. So we're just going to put, I'm just putting some initials here. And you'll notice your tab will open up a new tab. It'll be your copied one. So just make sure it says copy at the top. And then what you're going to want to do is want to make sure you read the instructions, because that's important. And it's saying please color A1 to F1 red. So if I'm going to do that, I'm highlighting. It's already merged for you. So there's like this little dump bucket up here, and it fills in the color. So if I want red, I can pick a light red if I want. That's probably what I'll do. It's more like a pink, but I'm bigger red. And then all your words will need to be white. So if you look here, all my words here need to be white. So I go to my font color, okay? And then let's go here and I'll make it white. And then if you notice, that makes a change there. Then it says type in F4, whoops, F4 right there. You start a formula, so you're going to do equals, okay? And then you're going to do parentheses, and then you're going to do D4, and then you're going to do times, that's shift 8, and then E4, and then you're going to end the parentheses, and then plus, okay, up here, and then D4, and then 4, D4, then you hit enter, and then once I hit enter, it gives me the amount, and then I need to pull that down. Okay, now, what does this really do here? That's the most important thing, okay? After I've done that formula, what it's doing here is it's taking the tax rate of these invoices that have been given to me. So off of $450, you take the tax rate of 8.5%, and this is the amount that is charged for their family portraits. So this is an important feature, and so this is the amount you charge for your sports portraits, and this is the amount due that they'd have to do. So the cool thing about this is this is a real life data, real life information. Look at this, wedding portrait. So this real photography, they're a real place that says, hey, how much should I charge in my state? And so then they have their tax rate here. And then sometimes it looks like they're going to charge and sometimes they're not, okay? Anyway, make sure you put your first and last name there, and that's it of the tutorial.